Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting network and permissions right. Connect your My Phone and the target display to the same Wi-Fi band because different bands often block discovery. Once done, make sure location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone so the system can scan. Open Settings Connection and Sharing, then tap Cast. Wait for the receiver name to appear. If you see multiple devices, pick the one matching your TV or dongle to begin the pairing process. Next, you'll refine system settings to ensure a stable link. Open Cast in Connection and Sharing and enable Allow New Connections so your phone advertises itself. This improves visibility. If you use Chromecast, use the Google Home app to cast apps or your screen, otherwise use the Quick Settings Screen Cast tile for Miracast. Also, disable Battery Saver and Data Saver so background services aren't restricted. These can silently block the stream. After connecting, observe latency and resolution to confirm a clean link. To finish, confirm the session is mirrored and audio routes correctly. Adjust TV input and phone volume. If you still can't cast, restart both devices and reconnect to Wi-Fi because stale network states often cause failures. Make sure My System updates are installed and clear the Cast or Google Home app cache to remove corrupted settings. If problems persist, switch between 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands or use a wired adapter as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.